In June of 2022, a massive flood heavily changed this iconic valley, washing away large sections of trail as it happened. After it happened, many people were understandably upset about what was perceived as massive damage. But as I have learned over the years, the only constant in nature is change. This is not destruction, it is just nature once again changing itself. The valley and the trail have indeed changed, but all trails are simply stories in motion, and this change is simply a new chapter in this magnificent and beautiful story.